Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Diana, and today we are talking about neighbors who are struggling. Do you have a friend, a loved one, or a neighbor who is navigating a struggle right now? Listen to what God's word has to say to us as we love others in our life. It's found in Romans 15, verses 1 through 4. It says, "We who are strong ought to bear with the weakness and the failings of others, and not please ourselves. Each of us should please our neighbor for their good, to build them up. For even Christ did not please himself. But as it is written, the insults of those who insult you have fallen on me. For everything that was written in the past was written to teach us, so that through the endurance taught in the scriptures and the encouragement they provide, we might have hope." Bear with our neighbors. Look to do good to our neighbors. Build up our neighbors. That's what this verse is saying. If you are in a season of strength today, let's look for opportunities to put this verse into practice. It's already quite practical for us. So listen again, it's telling us, bear with our neighbors. Look to do good. Build up our neighbors. How can you do that today with God's help and his leading? Will you pray this with me? Will you pray something like, "God, help me actually love my neighbors today and put this verse in practice. Help me bear with my neighbors. Help me notice how I can do good to them. Help me build them up your way today. God, show me who to serve." You can pray that prayer. Right now, as I'm talking, think of a family member, a friend, a coworker, a neighbor who comes to mind for you. Let's decide today to put our faith in action and watch what God does. Love our neighbor, bear with them, and build them up. Have fun giving this a try. We'll see you next time.